Plug in any available units. Signal 95, reference a LPR.
So we do have a drone operator down here. Do you want to see?
One of the biggest challenges law enforcement faces is always the unknown.
I think he's behind that tree.
We never know what we're walking into before we get there.
The drone provides us with a level of safety that we're not walking into a situation blindly. We have eyes.
Can you get eyes in on that window?
That's him.
It's got like a shower rod. I just sent it to your email, a live link.
Knowing that there's now a tool that can get to my phone and see live is crucial.
And we've all heard the expression that a picture's worth 1,000 words, but it's even better with real-time video of what's actually happening at the scene.
When I got here, they were running out of the truck and they said that the driver bailed on foot. I hear
We typically have just a couple deputies out there. So to set up a good perimeter is very hard.
directly above him.
To the right of that tree.
To the right of this tree.
Yeah, let's see, as he went black.
We don't lose people because we have a drone up in the sky to keep track of them.
Without the drone or air support, we wouldn't have found him.
911, what is the location of your emergency?
Residential burglary in progress near 4th and Main. Suspect possibly armed.
DFR 1 launching now. ETA is 1 minute.
Copy on the road. Air Force 97.
DFR 1 is arriving on scene. I have a visual on the suspect. The suspect just dropped an object that could be a weapon.
I believe it changes everything. It definitely makes our responses safer. Having something that can be on scene before we are, it's a game changer.